Now we'll see how to print sum of digits of the number. If you're new, subscribe to my channel to get more updates. So we'll see first what is sum of digits. Suppose I take 123. So addition 1 plus 2 plus 3. So that is called sum of digit. Okay, let's take now 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, like this way. Means this way it is. Means if we take 123, means that is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that becomes 6. And if we take suppose 1, if we take 1, 1, 5, so it becomes 1 plus 1 plus 5, so that becomes 7. So we'll see how to write this code. JavaScript should be written between HTML. You can write between HTML tag using script tag in body section of HTML or head section of HTML. So I had not written here body tag. So between body tag of HTML or between head tag or as external file. Now script tag, after that you write type oblique JavaScript. Now this is standard format for JavaScript. Where is used to declare the variable. Prompt is used to accept a string. String means you can accept collection of characters. You can enter even number into it, but you have to convert into parse int. That is, this function is used to parse string into integer. Integer means number without decimal point. So here two brackets are used. One is for prompt, another is for parse int. This number will be accepted. It is assigned to n, and before that we had declared the variable. So we'll see here why it is used. Now this while loop is used. These curly brackets are used after that. This statement we want to execute again and again till n is not equal to 0. Now n not equal to 0, this exclamation equal to is called not equal to, means till n becomes 0. Suppose n value, suppose we had to 123. So 123 divided by 10. This percentage is called modulus operator, which gives remainder. So we will divide by 10, means suppose if we take 123, so if we divide by 10, we get remainder as 3, means last number we got. So this will be assigned to remainder. So here in remainder we will get 3. So sum is initially 0, so 0 plus 3 will be assigned here. Now n is that is we got which number, 123. N is 123 suppose, and 123 divided by 10, because slash gives us quotient. So if we divide, because you should remember this percentage is called modulus operator, which gives remainder, and if you means if you divide this, you will get remainder by percentage. This is called modulus operator. And if you slash, this also divides, but it gives you quotient, means n divided by 10. Suppose if we took 123, so quotient what we will get, we will get as a 12. So we have to, because we don't want in points, so parseInt function is used, with parses any number into integer, means number without decimal point. So it will assign to n variable. So n is now 12. It will go up, it will check whether n is not equal to 0. Yes, because n is now 12, so it will go below. Now 12 divided by 10 means we will get remainder. What remainder will get? 12 divided by 10, we will get remainder as 2. So 2 will be assigned here. So previous value sum was what? Sum was 3. So 3 plus 2, it will assign here 5. Next value 12 divided by that is 12 divided by 10, we will get 1 quotient. So it will check 1 is not equal to 0. Yes. Then 1 divided by 10, we will get 1. Now previous value was 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 will ascend here. Now n divided by, that is 1 divided by 2, because last value was 1. So we will get 0. Now it will check whether it is not, because now n is 0. So it is not equal to 0. false, so it will come out because both are equal, because we want to operate this till n is not equal to 0. Now it had become equal, so it will come out. And what is the last value of sum? So this alert, you can print, it is used to print the message, it gives a dialog box, alert dialog box. Plus is used to concat this result. So what is the latest value of sum? It will print this. Now we'll see. Suppose if we take now 123 only, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. So if we take one more, suppose 1 1 5, you will get 7. So you can take any number. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.